might be one of the most important charts in crypto right now, maybe also one of the more bearish charts, and I really thought I need to share this with you just in case this is playing out, because I can already tell you for a fact nobody is looking at this, and if this were to play out, we actually see a correction, maybe quite a big drop in the Bitcoin price, right? Nothing is yet confirmed, do take that in mind, but let's have a look at this. This is the US dollar Theta dominance and the USDC dominance. And whenever this thing is going down, the dominance of the stable coins is decreasing. That means the dominance of Bitcoin is increasing, which means stable flow into Bitcoin, which means the price go up. Simple mathematics. But if this one goes up, it means that money from Bitcoin stable will flow into stable coins. So the money from Bitcoin will flow into stable coins. Bitcoin is being sold. And what we are seeing right here, I've shared this chart actually in the past couple of days. We have a uptrend on the daily, on the relative strength index, also in Orion's belt right here. But if we lose that uptrend, that will be insanely bullish. Why? Because the price comes down while the relative strength index goes up, and then creating space for bearish momentum, right? Another push in the Bitcoin price definitely looks good. But if we get a bounce from this support, and then things actually could look quite ugly, because we have the price coming down, we have the relative strength index coming up, so far holding the support, Orion's belt coming up, and touching the support, like we have touching it right here. Here it has been acting as resistance. Here we didn't came to that level, but it is some support that we are touching right now with bullish divergences that is dangerous, or at least showing us that we could bounce right here, okay? If we do bounce, like really bounce, then Bitcoin will dump. And how can we check that? Well, for that we go to the shorter term time frame. We go to the, right now we are at the 4-hour chart actually. We have a little bit, yeah, this one also looks quite bullish, guys. So that would be bearish for Bitcoin, is we have some declining resistance right here with a double bottom or triple bottom, right? We got a low, low, low. If we break down, would be bullish for Bitcoin. But if we break up, this could be bearish, and we also have this bullish divergence over on the 4-hour time frame. So I just want to make you guys aware of this. If this thing is going to break up, and we do see that also play out on a daily time frame, so we're going to break up, then most likely we are going to see a correction in the Bitcoin price, and maybe quite a big correction. Maybe a couple of €1,000, couple of $1,000 correction. I don't know why I mentioned the word euro, because we always watch in dollars, but a couple $1,000 correction, okay? We also waiting for that new cycle low, so that would actually align with that story. That's what I always look in the charts, like we are looking for multiple things to say the same thing, right? So this looks to align, so be careful if you open long positions. I also would be careful if you open shorts, because of this bullish sentiment, because we could also be doing something like this, get a retest and go back down, right? And then Bitcoin drops during this time. We form that cycle low somewhere in the March, and then we come back down right here, and Bitcoin can continue this rally of this 180-day cycle. Guys, I thought this was important to share with you. Watch this chart if you are into short-term price action. If you into trading Bitcoin, do that over on Bybit. Use my affiliate link down below, because you can get a deposit bonus up to $30,000. And you will get access to WhaleAlerts, which will tell you exactly when to long Bitcoin whenever we are setting that new cycle low. So that's going to be very interesting as well. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you appreciate this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, share this with your friends, leave a comment down below. I always enjoy to read that. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.